you. He's 45 years old and had a FUE procedure 10 months ago in May 2021. I'm going to show you the pre-op. As you can see, he has a Norwood 5 pattern, and we transplanted the interior one half of the scalp. This is what he looked like prior to the procedure. This is what Tom looks like 10 months later. He had 3,000 grafts planted in the interior portion of the scalp. Can you turn to your head to your left, please? Look straight, please. So this is what he looks like today, 10 months later.